Have you ever wondered why some people achieve success so effortlessly, while others struggle for years with no visible progress? The truth is, success doesn't come from one big change. It comes from small, consistent habits practiced every single day. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. You just need to start small, and stay consistent. Because small habits, when repeated daily, have the power to completely transform your life. Think about it. Waking up 30 minutes earlier may not seem like much, but over time, those extra minutes become hours of self-improvement. Reading just 10 pages of a book every day might not sound like a big deal, but by the end of the year, you've read several powerful books that shape your thinking. It's not about doing a lot in one day, it's about doing a little every day. That's how greatness is built. If you decide to exercise for just 15 minutes daily, it might feel too small at first. But in a few months, you'll notice your energy levels rising, your body getting stronger, and your confidence growing. If you choose to save a small amount of money regularly, it might not make you rich instantly. But over time, it will build financial discipline, and that's where true wealth begins. Every small action you take is like planting a seed. You may not see results immediately, but if you stay patient, those seeds will one day turn into a garden of success. Remember, success isn't about motivation, it's about systems. Motivation fades, but systems and routines stay. So, design your daily life around small positive habits: waking up early, planning your day, avoiding negativity, reading, learning, and staying focused on your goals. Your habits define your future. You don't decide your future directly, you decide your habits, and your habits decide your future. So start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take that small step: drink more water, walk for 10 minutes, read one page, write one idea, and keep doing it every single day. Because small habits create big results. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all so you never miss a new motivational video.